If you are new to making money online, or maybe you are an author who has never made sales selling books, then what I'm about to share with you will definitely get you started in no time. In this digital age, you can literally generate income without ever lifting your fingers on anything at all. And this is not like a get-rich-quick kind of scheme. We are talking about a passive income business model that can generate you thousands of dollars monthly if done properly. And it is the talking book business model which is often overlooked, and the earlier you tap into it, the better. So today, I am going to show you how to get started with audiobook plus all the necessary information on how to make this business model a sustainable source of income. And if you find this tutorial helpful, remember to hit the like button. And if you are not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button to join the community where we are all about making money online. Without much saying, let's get started and head to this website. It's called authorsrepublic.com. Over here it says, bring your book to life, create and distribute audiobooks the easy way. So this business model is about you monetizing your content via Authors Republic to distribute your content as an audio format to over 50 plus different distributors, all for free. It's a platform that allows you to upload and sell audiobooks. And each audiobook sold can yield profits ranging from $1 to several dollars. So in a nutshell, this is selling audiobooks on Authors Republic. And by tapping into this market, you are most likely to succeed, reaching multiple six figures annually. And if you look over here, it does have decent monthly traffic, which means less competition. And if you get a tiny fraction of this audience, this is you making a lifetime substantial passive income, which is great if you ask me. So there are just 4 steps to getting started. So the key to success in selling audiobooks lies in selecting the right book topics that resonate with the audience. And by conducting research on Audible, that's Amazon ACX or any other tools of your choice, you will be able to pinpoint high-demand book topics that have the potential to generate substantial royalties. Plus, you will need to analyze factors such as reviews, sales rankings, and estimated earnings, all of which can guide you in choosing lucrative book themes that align with market preferences. And you know what, guys? If you take my advice today, you will be grateful you did. So I found out that doing fiction is more profitable on audiobooks. That doesn't mean that nonfiction books are not selling. I only said fiction books are more profitable. So go from nonfiction to fiction, then focus on short story collections such as horror stories, romances, mysteries, and all of that. And if you are a linguist, why not put something together and maybe title it Learn Spanish for Beginners? Make it like a complete course with short stories, easy phrases, words in context, and so on. And the good thing about selling audiobooks is that you get to do the hard work once, after which you get lifetime royalties. Once you are certain about your book genre and have also identified profitable topics, the next step involves creating compelling book content that captivates listeners. So whether you choose to write the manuscript yourself, outsource it to a ghostwriter, or utilize tools like ChatGPT for ideation, the goal is to produce engaging and informative content. And if you intend to use AI, you must use the right prompt. AI should serve as your writing assistant. And as easy as it may seem to be using AI to write ebooks, if not done correctly, the AI will generate something vague and uninteresting, and it is most likely that you will not make any sales with such boring script. However, I will leave you with a prompt to write an ebook, but ensure you are using GPT-4, as it is the most recent GPT model at the time of making this video. And if you intend to use ChatGPT, you must use the paid version. As you can see, I am currently on the free version, which is GPT 3.5. Alternatively, if you are not comfortable using AI and you can't write, then you might need to visit any of the ghostwriting platform of your choice. Just type in ghostwriter websites on Google, and you will get tons of websites rendering such services, and for as little as $50, you can get 5,000 words, and 5,000 words is not bad. So whatever writing route you choose is absolutely perfect, and this is what matters most. Sales! Now this is the most important part, and you might think that having a good cover is a joke because it's an audiobook. You see, An appealing book cover plays a crucial role in attracting potential listeners and setting your audiobook apart from the competition. Obviously, there are many books out there, and this is how you get to stand out, okay? Sometimes when I want to watch a movie on Netflix, the first attention is paid to the cover, the title, and then the movie summary. This is how I get to select a movie to watch, and I think it is for most persons too. So your cover and title must be on point if you want to succeed in this business model. Now, to create your cover, platforms like Canva will do just fine if you have an eye for design, but if you want to go a little extra, then investing in professional cover design services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork can elevate the overall quality of your book presentation. And if you are on a tight budget, you might consider using AI. However, AI does design amazing book cover designs, and I have already made a video on how to use AI to generate book covers. Please go check it out. So the real deal here is creating a striking cover that resonates with your target audience. And doing this can enhance the marketability of your audiobook. So there is how it works with the Authors Republic. To transform your book into an audiobook, you must first set up your account from anywhere in the world. It's free and it's easy, okay? So click on sign up. You will be brought up here. Ensure you choose I am an author or a publisher because that is what you are. Then fill out these required details and I will do that real quick. Then click on the Create an Account button to proceed. And you will be redirected to your dashboard. And over there it says create a new audiobook project, so you have two options to select from. These says produce an audio, meaning they would turn your manuscript into audio for you. And you can either pay their professionals to do this for you, or you do the audiobook processing all by yourself using their inbuilt tools. But if you already have your audiobook done, then click this option that says sell a complete audiobook to get started. So it's just about 4 steps to this processing. Now, here is your book title space, and then the author's name is your name. You can also do a pen name, and the narrator's name is the voiceover artist's name. And once you're done, just click on continue. This is the metadata section. Ensure you input the correct details of your audiobook. Then choose your book genre. You can even add multiple options if you wish, which make it more visible to potential buyers. For the sales right, leave it on world because you want to sell to everyone except otherwise. In this section, your name remains the same as stated earlier, so don't mess this up. So this is where you get to price your book. They will also give you a free ISBN if you want. Now on this page, this is where you get to upload your audio file. This is for the cover dimension and requirements section. If you come over here, the opening track is just an introduction to your front matter. And this is a sample guide. The closing track is the back matter introduction, similar to the front matter guide. The next is the sample track, mostly like a short snippet of the story. And this is where you get to submit the main project. I can tell you for free that this is the most straightforward audiobook process I have ever seen, no complications here. And once your book is live and starts generating sales, it will reflect here. So while audiobooks offer a lucrative return on investment, there are significant costs involved in the production process. Here's a breakdown of the expenses incurred in creating and selling audiobooks. However, these figures might vary. So selling audiobooks on platforms like Authors Republic can be a profitable venture, provided you understand the cost dynamics. And by tailoring your content strategy to meet market demands, you can potentially achieve substantial returns from audiobook sales. If you are considering venturing into audiobook publishing or have any questions about this process, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights on maximizing earnings through various online selling platforms.